Hey guys, I just got my Mark Hodge stabilizers for the Kubota in the mail, so I figured I would do an unboxing because I hadn't seen one of these on YouTube yet. So I've already cut the box open. Let's take a look here and see what we've got. Got all the funny papers in there. Okay, this is the, I think they're wrapped pretty well. I'm gonna adjust the camera here. Grab a razor knife to cut them open. So they took about, I don't know, maybe 6 months to come in after I was ordered them.
Is the zapper thing up?
No.
Who are you talking to?
So got wrapped up nice and tight. I requested that mine be done in Kubota gray. So let's see how these puppies look. I actually have bent a couple of the normal adjustable Kubota arms, so hopefully this will allow me to take implements on and off. Oh man, he wrapped them up good. Looks like he knew what he was doing. Okay, let's see what we have here. Alright, sweet. Alright, check that out. Okay, yeah, he painted them gray for me. I asked for them to be Kubota gray. They got the tags. So this is for BX25D left side. Just got the quick release pins. I'll show you this so if you can see. So the way they're set up is each hole gives a ever so slightly different length. So it's like, looks like, you know, maybe 1/4 inch increments going all the way out. See this hole? You see that hole? And then next, and then next, and then next. See, so it goes, moves out in like 1/4 inch increments. And you can extend them, you know, out, I guess, I don't know, maybe that far. And then you just put the pin in to keep it in place. But you gotta have these in place, so that little V thing, I've actually had that fall out. And it can actually bend stuff on the back of your tractor. So those braces aren't just to keep the implements from wobbling side to side, it's actually to keep the everything holding the entire lift arms in place. Alright, and there's the other one. So here they are, complete. In Kubota gray. Paint smells new. Those are going to be nice. Thanks for watching.